YouTubers, what's going on? I got a quick video for you. Anybody with a 2010 to a 2015 Chevy Camaro V6 thermostat and water pump replacement. The water pump is pretty much straightforward on this car. Alright, you got the intake up here, which I took the intake off. The intake sits up here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, 13 millimeter. They long. This is what they look like. But of course you only gonna see the heads, but they the biggest nuts on the intake. Hold on. Alright, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 in the back right here, which you're gonna have to wiggle that out because of the cowl on the Camaro. It almost touches the bolt when it's out, but you'll see what I'm talking about when you get there. Alright, this bolt right here, you're gonna have to disconnect this hose right here. I took the throttle body cover off, the boot that goes into the air intake. That had to come off in the front right here. You may think it's a thermostat, but it's not the thermostat. This is what that is, but it leaks as well. I'm gonna see if they got gaskets for this and that, because it was leaking on the bottom. That's that right there. So that came from that. And then the water pump, all that was leaking around. But we got the water pump off. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe 6 10 millimeters. That's these. To get the pulley off is 4 10 millimeters. That's these. So you get the intake off. I took this hose out right here, which connects to the upper radiator hose. I took this off to get out my way for the water pump. Now I don't know if you're gonna do a water pump and thermostat at the same time, but I always suggest that when you're doing when your car start overheating. All right, so to get to the thermostat, it's this metal pipe right here. Follow this metal pipe. This metal pipe right here go all the way back to the thermostat. At the end of this pipe, it's connected to this pipe with a screw. I'm trying to see where the screw at. But on the back side of the screw is screwed into the housing of this thermostat right here. So on the end of the pipe, just act like this is the end of it. It's like that, and then you got the thermostat on the end of it. And it goes into the back of the block. That's why it's so hard for people to find information on it. I don't know why they act like they don't want to tell you, man. But you walk, the pipe goes around the left-hand side of the block, which would be the passenger side of the car. And I'm gonna try to take you back there. Give me a second. I don't know if you can see it or not. Give me 1 second. Anyway, in back of the block. Matter of fact, I'll do it from the front. They even help you out. Alright, so this is the front of the block. You go straight to the back, left-hand corner. And right here, after you take the intake off, you'll see a piece of foam. But if you move that piece of foam back, you can see the hole where the thermostat is right there. Maybe I should do that from the start, make it a lot simpler. But that's where the thermostat is. That's how you get to it. You're gonna need a 10, a 15, a 13 millimeter, and just get the wrenching. But that's where the thermostat is located on a 2010 to a 2015 Chevy Camaro V6. I do believe. If I'm wrong, leave me a comment, correct me, so everybody else out there know. But this is where the thermostat is, and that's why nobody say nothing, because it's a pain. But holla at me. Peace.